Are these shoes for you, Dada?
No, those aren't for me.
Are they for me?
No, they're way too big for you. Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Those are free.
Oh,
How perfect is that? Like,
are they solid enough to do something with?
Good day out in the...
It is not bad at all.
Mama, I have feel the snow day.
you like the little stroller?
Yeah.
Elliot, look. It's called the Lulu. Who is that? Is it from Scooby-Doo?
Yeah. Look at this.
What is that?
Look at this. This, Mama. I want that too. I want that. Yeah.
He wants a jump rope.
Jump rope?
I can get a toy, Dada.
Well, that's pretty cool.
My grandkids have had a lot of fun with those jump ropes.
You've never tried a jump rope, have you?
Get a toy.
How old are they?
1 and 3.
Oh my goodness, yes. Perfect spacing.
Yes. I think so.
Good. I don't need anything. I just started, I was working out in my yard,
I think
and so I went into the shower because I was itching.
Yeah.
And my kids came and checked on me for a couple of days, and
Yeah.
a friend of mine has a.
I think we will be cute.
She's got her changed her. My husband's idea. Bring her back. Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, you?
Good, thanks. Here, I'll let you out of that.
Where
I'm
are
not sure.
his yays?
3, 4,
There, I think.
4, 5, 6,
650, 675.
675. Do you need a bag for this, or?
Do you have one handy? That'd be
Yes.
awesome.
Transformer. Transformer.
Did that make you happy? You're happy.
Yeah, I can just carry those.
Yep.
Happy.
There's 10.
Already. I said 675.
Yeah, don't worry about the quarter.
Are you sure?
Yeah, those. I lose them.
You're happy. You're happy too.
Thank you so much, sir.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
No
it.
problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Good morning. How are you? Good, thanks.
I have like Green Lantern and Batman and Spider-Man and yeah. Oh, okay. That's just blue paper.
It's kind of neat. It's old.
Yeah. The boy clothes are over here on the opposite side, and the dresses are down. Her, she just observes. There. Oh, sorry, Elliot.
Look at that cute doggy.
Oh, that is a really cute dog.
Okay. Paper.
You'll have to ask her daddy.
Two dresses.
1, 2, and that's 56 cents, so that'd be $3.50.
$3.50.
Oh, hold on. It'll be 2, 3, 4. $4.
$4.
Yeah.
Grandkids.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good, thanks. too. Look at this.
Mama.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I should do stuff like that.
No.
That avocado game we've really never played.
Oh, really?
We did play the Farkle a lot, but I'm not one to really love like small toddler games, so I taught our kids like variations of Farkle very young.
I've never seen the avocado game.
Everybody get them all on fives, or see if you can stack 5 high before the thing expires, or I stunk at Chutes and Ladders.
Well, he has a fire truck, and I'll grab this avocado game. I think that's at $1 also. Thank you.
Thanks.
So, are these shoes for you, Dada?
No, those aren't for me.
Are they for me?
No, they're way too big for you.
Hi, Mama.
I could. Blend, it was full blend, you know, full.
I'm not telling if I want it. Maybe you don't want this today, honey.
Good morning.
Well,
Yeah, right
you're
there.
buying the game of the day.
Yeah.
You want a sack for it?
No, that's okay. I can carry it.
It just needs batteries, but it
Okay.
does work.
Sounds good.
We have played that thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are you? Looks like it's $3.50.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Hey, Dominic. Here's some haunted house jokes.
Are you all set?
Oh, okay.
Do you know the total, or do I need to?
We'll go fishing for some stuff. I'll see you later on.
I'll set you on the bag.
No, it's okay. How much is that little briefcase right over there?
Whatever, we'll say $1.
$1? Okay, I'll go ahead and take that too.
Oh, just a minute.
So $2.50, $3.50, or yeah, $2.50, $3.50, $4.
Okay. Sounds good.
I think I did
Mind
that.
if I pull this one off?
No, go ahead.
Thank you. That JJ is my sister-in-law. Some of her stuff I'll pay her for.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks.
All right, you guys have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. All right, guys, we are back in the garage. It is currently Sunday afternoon. The sales that you just saw were from Friday. I gotta say, the garage sales this weekend kind of sucked. Friday, as you saw, wasn't great. Saturday, rained out. and it's even a rainy day today. But we did manage to find a few things like bread and butter items that are going to be decent flips, and I made a couple bad buys too. So I'm going to show you the bad with the good, and let's just take a look real quick what we picked up. First sale was probably the best. Like I said, bread and butter items. Got this Panasonic phone set here. It was $3. 2 handsets. It's got the main base plus the extension base. I usually get about $25 to $35 on these, and I paid $3. It's super clean too. Usually when I find these in thrift stores, they're super dirty and they take a lot of cleaning. These won't be much problem at all. Got this Dutch Blitz game for $1. I think it's from 1973. Comps on eBay are all over the place, but on Amazon looks like about 30 bucks or so, so that's not bad at all. Got this Mickey Mouse, I think it's a Disneyland poncho, a rain poncho that you'd buy at the park. Still sealed in the package. It was $1. They had some used ones too, and I kind of struggled with whether I should have bought the used ones. Turns out, probably shouldn't have bought the new one. Comps aren't great, but I own it now, so whatever. These old GE alarm clocks. This one was 50 cents. If you clean these up real good, take really good pictures, and have a little bit of patience, these can do pretty well. A lot of people will sell them in the $10 to $15 range, but if you want to actually spend a little time with it, you can get a little bit more money on these old blue display GE alarm clocks, which is what I plan to do. Another thing I probably shouldn't have picked up, but I had never seen it, it's the Simpsons Operation. It was 50 cents. I did a quick scan on Amazon and it looked pretty promising. eBay, it's not very good at all. This may be something that sells better around Christmas time, or if like the Simpsons are in the news or something. We'll see. But it was 50 cents, so it's okay. The next sale, I picked up this vintage, I think it's 1988. It's blue notebook paper made by Mead. I'm a sucker for vintage office and school supplies. This I don't think has a lot of value on its own, but you know, maybe I'll find like a vintage Trapper Keeper or something and bundle it up. It's not taking up too much room, and I think it was only 50 cents or something like that, so it's okay. Next sale, definitely a bread and butter item. This is a Bop It Extreme. I'll try to put some eBay comps over to the side. This one was $3. Depending on the time of year, these do really well. They kind of fluctuate. On Amazon right now, the lowest price is around 80 something bucks, which is usually where I sell them. I think that's a little high for this time of year, but I may throw it up on Amazon for 40, 50, 60 bucks, something like that, and see what happens. The sale after that, I picked up a little stack of CDs, but the reason I picked them up is because I noticed a couple punk bands that I'm familiar with, like Guttermouth and Ted Leo and the Pharmacists. They're on smaller record labels, and it's music that I used to listen to when I was younger, and a lot of times punk CDs and vinyl and stuff like that do pretty well, so I grabbed them. Turns out the most valuable one is probably this Apathy Wanna Snuggle CD right here. Pretty rare hip-hop CD from like 2009. It seems to have some pretty decent value. I wish the case wasn't cracked because it's still sealed in the plastic, but I'm probably either gonna have to just disclose that or open it and put it in a new case and sell it as used. Either way, for the $3.50 total I paid, this will definitely give me a pretty good return. And all these have a little bit of value, so I'm definitely not gonna lose on this deal. So not bad at all on that little stack of CDs. The last sale of the day, I picked up a few things. I got this Pottery Barn kids alarm clock right here. Looks like this is probably a $25 shipped item. I paid $1 for it, so that's okay for sure. I picked up a bag of money. It was 50 cents, and it's a bag of like foreign currency. I just thought that was kind of a no-brainer because surely there's more than 50 cents in face value here. Sarah was kind enough to do all the conversions, and it turns out that face value there's about $7.56 here. So they sold me $7.56 worth of currency for 50 cents. I think that's pretty funny. We kind of did a little research on some of the coins. Some of them aren't in circulation anymore, and they may actually have a little bit of value on their own, like some of these French coins, like the French francs and stuff like that. So probably have to do a little more research before we decide what to do. I won't spend a lot of time on this because there's definitely not going to be a lot of value, but a bag of money for 50 cents. Kind of funny. The last thing I picked up was this old briefcase. I've never really bought briefcases before, but they wanted $1, so I grabbed it. Not a very good brand. It's American Tourister. I kind of figured worst case, maybe one day I'll do one of those crazy deals where I can stuff it full of money and handcuff it to my wrist and just look like a super boss or something. Not bad for $1. That's okay. Like I said, guys, not great. Hopefully next weekend's a little bit better. Hopefully your weekend was better than mine. But that's what I got for you for now. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.